everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making quick, easy and delicious garlic baked chicken. Okay, to start off with, we're going to season our chicken breast with salt and pepper. I've just placed it inside a baking tray. There's nothing more that we really need to do to this other than season it well with salt and pepper. Then we're going to move on to our garlic butter. So just in a small saucepan, we're going to go ahead and melt our butter and mix in our garlic. So we're going to allow them to sort of melt together and let the butter absorb the flavor of garlic. And then once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and just simply pour that over our prepared chicken breast, just so that when we bake it, the chicken breast poaches and bakes inside that beautiful butter sauce. Then we're going to go ahead and bake it in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. And in that time, I'm going to boil up some green beans. You can serve it with whatever you want on the side. I just happen to like green beans with this, and also some steamed rice. So really, once that's cooked and out of the oven, all we need to do is go ahead and serve that up. So like I said, I'm just serving it with some steamed rice and green beans. You can serve it with salad or anything else that you like. The last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and spoon over some of those pan juices, and that's it. We can serve. I hope you like this. I hope you make it, and I will see you next time. Bye.